Alright, welcome back viewers. In today's video is about a next bug in bWAPP, which is PHP code injection. So just click on this and let's try to see what we can do with this page and with this bug. So here we have PHP code injection, and say this is just a test page reflecting back to your message. So here if I click on this, as you can see we are passing a get parameter with the with the with the content of test. So it does nothing. If I hit enter, as you can see nothing happens. But if I pass a numbers, as you can see we are displaying that right here. So let's try to do something. Let's try to execute something. So this is a hacker, and let's try to execute another one. Yes, and if I hit enter, yeah, as you can see hacker and then yes. So let's try to execute some other PHP commands. So after the semicolon, let's try to see the underscore dir underscore command. It shows the current directory like the pwd command, cmd command. So here you can see the hacker, which is the message, and then we are showing the current directory, which is the whole path from home to the bWAPP. So we can execute this command. So let's try to execute some other command. Let's try where dump. Yes, this is working. Just to show you that any PHP command that you can execute can be executed right here. So it does not work because I written some syntax error. As you can see, string with 9 characters, and yes, this is working. So we can execute any PHP command. Some bad PHP scripts you can try here. I tried some other ones as well. You can try to create a directories. You can try to execute shell OS. You can do even OS command injection using this, which for that you will be using the shell underscore exe function. So here you can see I tried other things as well. So let's see if we can display the h1. So just remove the others, and inside let's pass h1 tag, and let's close the h1 tag is 1. And if I hit enter, as you can see we are it actually displays the content of this. So even we can inject the whole form. So let's try it. I have a form which is right here. We created this in the previous videos. So let's copy this and paste it right here inside the quotes, and if I hit enter, and it did not work because of the quotes, single quotes. As you can see we injected the form. So we can even inject a whole HTML document to this. So this is pretty scary. And if you want to check the code, you can visit the phpi.php file.